Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieved these super voluminous, soft curls using CurlSmith products. I know I spoke about CurlSmith a few videos ago, but I did decide to try some of their other products because I'm so curious to test out the entire line so I could share it with you guys. So I figured, let me test out some more products and style with them as well and show you guys my results. So I am going to show you guys a demo of how I use each product. I did use the Detox kit in this video as well, but I'm not going to go ahead and show you because I have a whole video on that you guys can go ahead and check out. But I am using 3 different products that I did not use before. But before we get started, don't forget to press the little subscribe button down below and turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video. I'm also going to drop my social handles so you guys can follow me on there as well. I post a ton of curly content, so go ahead and check me out. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. For this video, I was able to try the CurlSmith Scalp Recipe Hydro Cream Soothing Mask, which, guys, amazing. I already knew since the Detox kit was amazing, I figured that this would be nothing different. This mask is definitely super thick. I didn't use too much. I feel like a little does go a long way with this mask. And I loved massaging it on my scalp because it felt so refreshing and so soothing. It is the perfect follow-up to doing a detox kit. It just made my scalp feel super refreshed and it made my hair super moisturized. This mask also has a lot of slip, so as I was applying it to my hair was literally drinking it up, but I was able to detangle my hair with my fingers for the most part. Of course I did brush it through because that's just a me thing. I have to brush products through my hair, but this mask is awesome. Definitely recommend it. It made my scalp feel super fresh, like I said, and I just love anything that's nourishing for the scalp and nourishes my curls and makes it feel soft and moisturized. So if you guys were curious about this mask, super good, highly recommend it. A little does go a long way, so we love to see it. Okay, so the 2 products that I styled with was the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, and I used the In Style Fixer as my gel. So these 2 paired really well together. A lot of people messaged me and said that the In Shower Fixer was gonna leave such a hard cast, to just be prepared. And honestly, did not leave any cast in my hair. If anything, I was actually surprised at the amount of volume that it left my hair, but I kind of had an idea that it was gonna leave my hair more voluminous versus more flat by the way I was styling it. So as I was applying the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, my hair was literally drinking it up. So it worked really well into my hair, has a lot of slip. It was very moisturizing and smells really good. It did not weigh my hair down at all. I don't know if it's meant to be a product that weighs your hair down. Here it says, as far as hold, it is a soft hold. So on a scale from 1 to 10, it's a soft hold being number 1. And I could definitely attest to that. It did not really give me much hold, but I don't look for my stylers to give me holds. I look for that in my gels. So it does contain amazing ingredients. It contains rosemary oil, smashed avocado, apricot kernel, aloe, squeezed olives. The styling cream promises to give definition, bounce, and a soft hold. So definitely can say I got that from that. This product is very moisturizing, very easy on my hair. It is free of sulfates, silicones, mineral oils, phthalates, all of that. So super clean product. And I would say it's a really good leave-in. It left my curls super moisturized. You guys can see it for yourselves. Super moisturized. My curls feel super soft. I wish you guys could reach into the screen and touch it. It's like a giant pillow. Literally a giant pillow. So definitely recommend if you guys have been curious. Maybe if you have less dense hair, it'll give you more hold. But if your hair is very dense and thick like mine, you're probably gonna have similar hold to mine. You guys will see as I'm applying it how it just works its way really well through my hair, but it doesn't really lay it down. It just gives it a lot of moisture. And the gel that I used, again, is the In Shower Style Fixer. So when you guys saw that I got all these products from CurlSmith, a lot of you were saying that this cast is crazy. And honestly, I don't feel like it left much of a cast. My hair is alive and I feel like it eats everything that I put in it. So maybe it just absorbed the gel and it didn't really have the effect that normally people get. But I do feel like it gave me a good hold. It is more on the lightweight side. It's not as holding. I hear it says it's an extreme hold, but for me, I don't feel like it gave me all of that. I feel like it gave me more of a softer hold, but it did give me a lot of definition. But yeah, definitely not a 10. I wouldn't say it's a 10 when it comes to holds if you resonate with my hair type. You guys saw the way I was applying it to my hair, so I styled first with the Hold Me Softly Balm, and then I put this right on top. I know I'm super heavy-handed, so I was applying this like crazy, and a little still does go a long way, because I feel like with this entire wash and go, this much is still left, so I only use like this much, which is a lot because I normally use a lot more, especially when it's a squeezy bottle. I feel like I tend to squeeze a lot more products on my hands, but it does have amazing ingredients in it as well. It has aloe vera juice, it has apricot kernel, black pepper oil, which is probably super intense for the scalp when it comes to hair growth because I know that stimulates blood flow, wild sunflower, and it has mashed avocado. My hair loves mashed avocado. Loves avocado in general, avocado oil, all the avocados. I don't know, I didn't get the 10 holds, but I do love my results. Like, hello, look how cute this little curl is. And my hair looks bomb. Like, my hair looks super bomb. That's the only thing I'll really say. I don't feel like it gave me as much hold as it claimed it would, but I do like it nonetheless. Like, I would definitely buy this product because the way my curls feel right now, they're so soft, and I feel like I never get a soft hold. A soft, defined hold from gel. I feel like gels typically give me either a cast where it's like super hard and I have to scrunch out the cast. I never get like a soft, defined curl. Does that make sense? This is one of those duos that I talk about that if I ever need a wash and go that I want definition, and let's say I'm going to an event and I'm washing my hair the day of, these are two products that I could definitely use and guarantee that my curls will come out voluminous, soft, bouncy, and they smell amazing, by the way, and shiny. Like, these are just products that you need to have on your shelf. You always need that duo that's gonna hold it down like it's day 2, day 3 hair, because that's typically like my favorite day hair. So this is giving me like day 2, day 3 vibes on day 1, which we love to see. So yes, I would definitely recommend them. Again, I was very heavy-handed with the gel and I still got very soft results. Definitely happy with the way things turned out. But yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked my quick little review on the CurlSmith products. I am going to continuously review more CurlSmith products because I have so many and they continuously send me some more to try and share with you guys. So thank you so much to CurlSmith for doing that. If you guys have any questions regarding anything I mentioned in this video, feel free to comment them down below. But that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.